In a major relief for people who are yet to receive ration cards, the Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare Minister, Krishna Patra, on Thursday announced that new ration cards will be issued in the new year. The announcement has brought hope to thousands of families who have been awaiting inclusion under the public distribution system. Addressing the media, the minister said that around 15 lakh ration cards have already been approved and will be distributed to eligible beneficiaries in phases. He clarified that only deserving applicants will receive ration cards after proper verification. He further informed that applications for ration cards can be submitted online. As part of the process, a survey will be conducted for all applicants to assess their eligibility. Those found eligible during the verification process will be issued ration cards. According to official data, around 6.39 lakh beneficiaries have already received ration cards so far. And the remaining approved cards will be distributed in the coming days.
राशन कार्ड अप्लाई कल तो दिया जाओ टार्गेट किछ नै बहुत टार्गेट अछि अप्लाई कला पर सर्वे कर दिया जाओ जो माने एलिजिबल हेबे सेवन पाइबे 15 लाख राशन कार्ड हम पाखरे अप्रूव होई के अछि मोर कहया कथा जो माने अप्लाई करिवे से माने ऑनलाइन अप्लाई करियो पड़िबो आइलेनी 6,39,000 पाइलेनी आहुरी अनेक पाइबे माने अप्लाई करिवे ता सर्वे करा हबो जो माने एलिजिबल हेबे सेवन पाइबे।